Hi Ray, I've got some issues with the media library at the moment. So I've on the staging and the live, there are issues with the media library, maybe caching related. I'm not exactly sure, but at the moment, I tried the replace media, and I have mixed results with it. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So I reverted to just deleting an image from the media library and then re-adding it, um, bypassing the replace media. But even that isn't working. At the moment, so I deleted this image and I re-uploaded as new, and it loads and then comes up with this error. So just add new to show you. So let's get rid of that message. So I've got Burkina in so that it displays as I load it in. So there's the file. So it seems to be going through the process of uploading, but then it will just stay here and then come up with that error at the top. So that's kind of what I'm experiencing at the moment with the media library. Can't use it, certainly can't use the replace media. I'm on the live side at the moment, experiencing difficulties on the staging as well. So I'll leave it with you. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.